Today I'll show you how $35 in tile can transform your bathroom, and it's not in the way you think. We won't be putting the tile on the floor, you'll actually be redoing your mirror. I had seen this hexagonal mosaic tile that I really loved, so I bought several sheets and got to work with it. I removed the tiles from the mosaic tile backing sheet. The reason I removed them instead of using them on the sheet as they are is that the sheet itself has spacing on there where grout would normally go. But I definitely don't want to put any grout on this project. I just want to put the tiles right up next to each other and have them create one solid design. I added liquid nails to the backs of the tiles and started mounting them to the mirror. I first created one row along the bottom and didn't worry about the mirror clips. I used flat mirror clips and I worked right over top of them. I just added a little bit more liquid nails to the pieces that were going over the clips so that they would grip well. Then I added a second row of tiles, and after that I started working my way up the sides of the mirror. I did get a little bit of slippage of the tiles, and when I did, I started adding tape as needed. I also alternated between working on the left side or right side just to give a chance for the liquid nails to dry a bit. It took me about 45 minutes to get the tiles done all the way around the mirror. The next day I removed the tape, and I love the way it's starting to look. However, there are a few things that still need to be done. There's some liquid nails that I accidentally got onto the front of some of the tiles, so I needed to remove that so that the tiles would look good. I used mineral spirits on a paper towel, which did remove the liquid nail, but it then started leaving behind all of this paper towel residue, so I don't recommend that. I had to switch to like a lint-free cloth, and that worked a lot better. I purchased some black caulking. I added it along the edges. I know this looks like a huge mess at first, but just go with me here. After I added the caulking, I wiped it away using the lint-free cloth with the mineral spirits. That was pretty much it. It was a quick and easy project that took me a couple of hours one night and a couple of hours the next day, and made a huge transformation in this bathroom for a total of only $44. I hope this inspired you to buy your favorite mosaic tile and add it to your mirror and spruce up your bathroom a bit. Thanks for watching Home Talk, and see you next time.